All right, day 19. And today we're taking a huge leap forward.
So you know how our projects have been kind of stuck on your home Wi-Fi?
Yeah, they basically only work when you're connected right there at home.
Well, today we're going to snap that leash. We are achieving global control. And the key to all this, a cloud MQTT broker. It's our gateway to the internet. We're going to create what's called an open pipeline right from our device to the cloud. And we're using everything we've learned, Wi-Fi, MQTT, and relays to make it happen.
Okay, so how does this actually work? Let's take a look. It happens in an instant. Imagine you're out, miles away from home, just on your phone's data.
You tap a button and your phone publishes a command to that cloud broker.
The broker then immediately pushes that command right down our open pipeline.
And your ESP32 back home, which is subscribed and listening, gets the message.
And bam, the relay clicks on. It's that fast from anywhere in the world.
So we've gone from local-only control to true global control. This is a massive upgrade. The huge takeaway here, you're not tied down by location anymore. Achievement unlocked. We've mastered global communications.
Tomorrow on day 20, we take a break from the internet to master precision physical movement with stepper motors.